Hello, today we're going to be looking at one of the most important aspects of SystmOne, logging on and logging off. We will also be looking at locking the system, switching user, and running multiple instances of SystmOne. To run SystmOne, you will most likely have an icon on your desktop. Double-click this icon and SystmOne will launch. Once SystmOne is loaded, you will see the logon screen. If you are using an NHS smart card, then ensure that this is connected to the PC and you have entered your credentials. Once this is done, you can click the Log On with NHS Smart Card button. If you don't have access to a smart card, then enter your SystmOne username and password in the required fields and click Log On. Once you have logged on, you may be presented with a list of organisations that you can log on to. On the left, you will see a message informing you of when SystmOne was last accessed with this profile, any failed password attempts there have been since you last logged on, and whether you have any disabled or unusable profiles. If you do have disabled or unusable profiles, you will be able to view these by ticking the Show Hidden Profiles checkbox. You will need to speak to a system administrator or password administrator at your organisation to resolve this. If you have access to a lot of organisations, you can search for them by the organisation name or role in the search box here. To log on to the required organisation, click the Log On button. You now have access to SystmOne, and we will be looking at navigating the system in a separate video. Now, if you need to lock SystmOne, you can press F11 on your keyboard. This will hide your screen and bring up a dialog where you will need to re-enter your password or smart card PIN in order to gain access to the system again. This also gives you the option of shutting down SystmOne and switching to another user. The Lock System dialog can also be accessed from the System menu at the top of SystmOne itself. SystmOne can also be restored down, minimised and maximised using the icons up in the top right. It is also possible to run multiple instances of SystmOne if required, and providing the organisation has configured the system to allow this. To do this, simply return to your desktop and run SystmOne again. Once you have logged in, you will be able to switch between the different instances using your Windows toolbar or the Alt and Tab buttons on your keyboard. The banner at the top will also change colour depending on which instance it is. You can open up to 4 instances of SystmOne at once if required. When you log off of SystmOne, either click the Close icon up in the top right, or bring up the Lock System dialog with the F11 key or from the System menu as before. It is very important to ensure that you log out of SystmOne before you leave for the day or shut down your PC, as it is at this point that any changes to your personal settings will be saved to your profile. Thank you for watching. If you are new to SystmOne, or if you're a seasoned SystmOne user but want to find out more, then please check out some more of our videos in this series.